Hi, this is Rehan here from CloudSponge, and today we're going to be installing the better sharing plugin on a WordPress website. So as you can see, we're on the dashboard. I'm going to quickly redirect myself towards the plugins area of the sidebar menu and select Add New. This should take us to the search plugin search page. As you see here, I'm going to choose the upload plugin since I already have the file downloaded from the WordPress repo. Going to wherever you have downloaded it. For me it's here, and just drop in that file and click install now. Wait for a bit. And there you go, it's installed. Now you can activate the plugin. You can click it here, or you can go into the install plugins area of the sidebar menu, redirect yourself to the better sharing plugin and click activate. And as soon as you do that, you can see it's, let me move my face. Okay, as you can see, it's popped up a new menu here. It gives you this really quick get started guide. Right, I hope that was helpful. See you in the next video. Thanks.